The Matsapha Municipal Council has invited members of the public to drop off waste with their offices in Matsapha, a waste which the council says it could be used for recycling and for making things that could become usable. We have a report.
There are now new ways of managing waste to prevent them from damaging the environment. One way of doing this is recycling the waste. That is why Matsapha municipality is calling upon everyone who has garbage or waste in their homes to bring it to the council's offices. Matsapha Town Chief Executive Officer Gcinie Fakudze says they welcome anything to work on.
Encourage recycling at source, where we link the recycler with the waste material that he requires without it finding its way to the landfill. And that program is moving quite smoothly and we're excited about it. Then picked up as we're doing that program is that there's other forms of waste that are sitting at our homes that people really do not know what to do with them. You are keeping it because it has sentimental value, but you do not believe that it can have value added on it and then take another form. For example, I think we've shown you a bicycle. It was sitting in someone's garage. It is not going to be used ever again. There's sentimental value with the bicycle, so I do not want to throw it away. But we're saying that we can just take that one with the skills that we have developed, and we work with young people from the community as well. So we're just encouraging anyone at home.
Fakudze says the public can bring forward anything that they think is useless and they will work around it as the municipality to make sure that it becomes useful and attractive. Reporting for Swazi TV News, Matsapha.